So I decided to cut the boxing out. It didn't take much. Barely tacked in there. Get everything else on the puppy. Got that clamped in place. I'm just gonna drill out some holes, put bolts in, and then weld the nuts to the frame on the inside. I'll clean that rust up too. I'll hit her with the wire brush quick on the drill. Just 4 bolts. I actually lined up with 2 of the holes from the self tappers that were in there. Probably weld those holes up. Possibly those 2. I'll get that so I can get the nuts in place, weld them to the inside, and then throw the boxing plate back on. That's where I'm at. I got the suicide front mount pretty much in. So there. And the next step will be on to the rear hairpins, getting all that lined up. Then it'll be relocating these shocks. Then I'll have a roller. Then I can sort out where I'm putting the steering box, pedals, yada yada yada. Then I will make the final decision on whether I'm keeping the 3-speed or not. I don't actually know if I'll have room, being that's a Chevy 3-speed. I got the shifter. I might have to find a power glide for this. So let's see, between the pedals and linkages and everything else, I do have a Z-bar from 57 Chev. It came with this trans. So instead of using the F1 pedals that I have, I can rig something up in here, a box, mount master cylinder, and then off the back of it run the Z-bar so it does the pull on the clutch arm. It's actually a push on the Chevy. The Fords push this with their opposite to each other, like a late 30s Ford trans. So I have a 39 pedal set as well. I don't think I'm going to use that. I'm probably going to sell it. It's near mint. It's basically NOS. So I may eBay that. It will not be cheap. Or I may accept trades for vintage small block Chev speed parts, or well, whatever. Anyway, it's sidetracked. Okay, I'm gonna drill these holes out quick and bolt it up, and then I think I'm done for tonight. It's midnight. It's a short set off. I got 4 days off, and so yeah, it's back up to work. But my next set's a 5-dayer, so hopefully I'll get more time. I got other stuff I gotta do this set. Getting a couple hours out here. Okay, back again. Oh, that late. Right in the... So got it in the plate. Got it through. The next step, take the other nuts off. Got the wire flinger 1000 on the El Cheapo angle grinder here to clean the rust out of there. And then I'm gonna tack the nuts on the inside, and then we can put the box plate back in. There's a chunk there. Throw it back in there. And that'll be that. There we go. Just a couple quick tacks on each nut. Ones at the top are really awkward to get at. And that's all we do. There, just so they don't back off. Alrighty, now I'll repeat the same for this side. Once I got some space. That's it for tonight.